Gelato print on demand tutorial for beginners. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to use this platform called Gelato, which is a print on demand platform. There are two ways people can use Gelato, wherein they can create designs that they want and they could look through the different product catalogs over here, create their own design, and order it for themselves. Or you could also create a product out of the different catalogs over here, out of the design that you will be creating, and start selling those as well. For example, we have a t-shirt over here. Like I mentioned, we have the option to purchase or have our own product for us to sell with the design that we have made, or we could also purchase it just so that we could have that product with our design. So that's two ways of utilizing Gelato. You could connect it to your different stores. If you select on stores over here, these are all the different stores that you will be able to connect to. We have your typical Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, up to TikTok Shop, and then there's also other integrations that you guys might want to check out or might want to know that if it was possible to connect those as well, which as you can see, quite a lot. And then there's some custom integrations that you guys could do as well. When we checked out earlier over here, as you can see in our product catalog, this is where you will be able to find all kinds of products that are actually available in Gelato. So there's different types of categories. You have some clothing, women's clothing, tote bags, wall art, all kinds of products over here available on the left side. So you have a certain degree of freedom on what type of products are you going to be selling, as you can see. There's a button over here on the top right, by the way, which will prompt us to create a product. So as you can see, there are multiple ways for us to be able to create our product. We could upload our design to multiple products wherein you could put it on t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, stuff like that with just uploading one design. Or we could also create a design or like a single product for now. So over here, as you can see on the top, we have your different steps. So you have your products, you have your designs part, mock-up parts, details, prices, and review. Before we do that, let's first create our design. What I would recommend that you guys use is a platform called Canva, which is a really great platform for creating different types of designs. So for example, over here, let's go and check out or create a very simple design. So let's remove this. Now in Gelato, they have their own design maker, but in my opinion, their designs are a bit limited, so I would recommend that you use Canva instead. So over here, we could just simply look for different elements. So let's say cats, and then you could go to graphics, and then you could have different cat elements over here that you guys could put together. So for example, we have something like this. You could put this on the forward layer. There we go. Then you could combine different elements together, and as you prefer it, you could modify them as you can see, or like create unique designs with how you prefer it or how you do it. So let's say we have this. There we go. Then if you're satisfied with the design that you have made, simply click on share, click on download, and then select a specific page. I'm going to choose our page that we're working on. So click on download, and now we're having our section over here being downloaded. There we go, completed. And now let's look for our design that we could put it on. So let's say hats. It might be a great design for hats. So let's open here. As you can see, we have different versions or different types of hat over here. Let's say tucker hats. Select that. And then over here, there's different options because there are different printers or different producers or productions. You could see some information over here like embroidery available, the different colors that they come in. There you could see where it is shipping. So for example here, shipping North America, Europe, Oceania, Asia, South America, rest of the world. This one is worldwide. You could check out the prices as well. As you can see, differences in prices. So let's say if you're trying to have a cheaper option for now, we could go with this one retro trucker cap. Let's open this. So we have our design. This is where we will be able to upload our design, as you can see here. Simply look over here, or we could actually drag and drop it. There we go. And now we have our design over here. I could download a transparent background. That's an option in Canva. I just forgot, but anyway, let's just assume that this is transparent and it looks great. And anyway, over here on the left side, you could check out different layers. You could layer some things. Click on text. You could have some personalizations over here. You could have some personalized layers. You have your settings over here, which could help or like guide you with creating your design. And actually, it looks really cute because it was able to turn our design into an embroidery. You could see the mock-up and stuff like that. As you can see, it looks really cool. And then you can even have some stickers and other stuff as well. You can have some different variants over here on the right side. If you want more variants, you could have that. But anyway, after that, you could click on continue to mockups. And then in this, we will be able to see different images. You could wait for it to load. You could download them as well if you prefer. So we have this, as you can see, as our mockup. We could now click on continue to details, which will allow us to input the typical information such as the name, details, description, stuff like that, other relevant information. Click on continue to prices. And over here, as you can see, you can now input the prices that you prefer. There will be some automatic additional over here, as you can see. So after you're happy with the prices, if you click on continue to review, click on publish. And now this product will be published to your store if ever you have one. But as you can see, it's being added over here. So this will be available for you once you have connected your store. You could also purchase your own designs like I mentioned earlier. As you can see here, order your first product. You could select the product to order. And it's a very similar process with creating the design. But in here, it's more on you're still going to be creating the design, but you're going to be purchasing it for yourselves. So as you can see, it's completely different UI from earlier. So instead of at the store, we could click on start to design, and this is something that you will be able to purchase for yourself. So over here, as you can see, you can now simply put in the design that you have. I'll put mine here. So we have that. And then if you're happy with this, you can now simply add it to your orders, and then you will be able to order this specific product with the design that you have added. So that's a really cool thing that Gelatin or Gelato have. So let's exit this. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.